All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the wrench extenders from Mueller-Kueps. All right, so if you're unfamiliar with these, I'm sure you've probably seen the double wrench trick used here and there, where you take two wrenches, you kind of link them together. It doesn't work this far outside, but this is what I've got, and you basically do that. Well, the double wrench trick works closed end, open end, so you can use it to do like tie rods. Possibly messing up your wrenches is not the best idea. They came out with these wrench extenders. Now, it's a real simple device, one of those designs that you wish you'd thought of so you could have made the profit on them, but it links on your wrench and it gives you a really long handle. Works on both ends, by the way. Closed end on the other side than the open end, but works really well for, extending a wrench. And if you've ever done tie rod ends, this can come in handy. Now they also have a square end for a 1/2-inch drive for even more leverage. Hopefully you've got a good wrench that can hold up to that much force. But my point of this is these are nice tools to have. If you're an alignment guy, they also have bigger sizes. They've got this one, which goes to 24, I believe. Then they've got this one that goes to 32, I believe. And then they've got an even bigger one for you big truck guys and hydraulic lines. I know that's why I've got a bunch of big wrenches that I don't have at the shop because, I don't use them anymore. But back when I worked on garbage trucks, you did a lot of hydraulic lines. And oddly enough, they were stupid wicked tight. But anyway, these are some great things to add to your kit because, sometimes you need that extra leverage. It's a simple design, but well worth the money when you're struggling trying to break an inner tie rod end loose or some other fastener on the closed end. Makes it really nice just to grab this and not struggle. I'm using an old school Mac wrench, and for you guys that have ever used these wrenches, they hurt. Only reason I have this is because he had it on the truck and I needed a new 21 for alignments, obviously. But that's the only reason I've got a Mac one, because these things are not uncomfortable. It's got a real square edge and it hurts when you push on it really hard. So definitely something to consider. Or you need to break big nuts loose like hydraulic lines or, anything on a big truck. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.